For now, Health Minister Dr Zweli Mkhize visiting the FH Odendaal Hospital in Modimolle in Limpopo following that devastating fire that claimed 2 lives. We're now joined by our colleague Lutendo Bobodi. A very good morning to you. What's happening right now where you are?
Thank you so much, Desri. Yes, the Minister of Health, Zweli Mkhize, is here, but I don't think we can read too much into his itinerary here. You know, as a political head of the department, quite naturally he was expected to be here, you know, to do an oversight visit, you know, to check what really happened, and of course he's expected to make some pronouncements later on, and we're hoping that we will talk to him and just get to know what he has established during his visit here. But let's just remind our viewers what really happened here. These are the wards that were burned down to ashes in the inside. That is the COVID ward and also the female medical ward. I can tell you that the damage there is very excessive, and we're hoping to get in there and just show our viewers what really happened, the extent of the damage right there. But as we said a few days back, I think two days ago, when you and I spoke, they were still conducting some investigation, notably forensic investigations, and now the scene has been cleared, and we're still awaiting the report as to what really happened, what really caused the fire. Was it electric fault? Was it a cigarette butt? Was it a case of arson? You know, anything is possible. But what we're gathering now, I can tell you from what we have heard from the MEC of Education, it seemed that a patient who was admitted here demanded to smoke cigarette, and after smoking the cigarette, he just threw down the filter or the bud that was left unattended there, and apparently that is something that caused the fire. This is what the preliminary investigations are revealing. It said that the patient is still here. He was with the 26 who were in that ward when the fire started, and the department is threatening to release him, to take him home, because he's been demanding to smoke more cigarettes and he's been refusing to wear hospital clothes. This is what we're finding out right now, Desri.
That's interesting, that early information coming in. But just in terms of that COVID ward that was also destroyed, how has this hampered the provincial efforts at fighting COVID-19? What will be done in this regard?
Well, like we said a few days ago, this is a big hospital. It's sprawling. It's old, but it's massive, and there were some wards that were not occupied, and those patients were moved to that particular ward, and they are still being attended to. And we understand some of them have already been released, you know, after they've recovered. Yeah, they've come with a plan to make sure that those patients are accommodated elsewhere.
Do you expect the health minister to address the press later on or not?
Well, from as far as we gathered, he is going to address that later on. You know, knowing Dr. Mkhize, every time he visits a hospital, you know, he will come out and answer questions from the media. We would really expecting that he will be talking to us later on, and we're going to give you that later.
Thank you very much, Lutendo Bobodi. There you're watching.